Welcome back, guys. We're at our Classic Cruisers Facebook page. This is our monthly cruise. We got about 30 out here today, and it's we've got some good weather, and I think that plays a big part of it. So today we're going to the Arkansas Natural Resources Museum, and we'll show you around there once we get there. But we got some nice vehicles out here, and anyway, we hope you can join us on the next one. But this is for our February cruise, and anyway, it's awesome to have good weather and this many folks out today. Great turnout. It's literally a rolling parade, and people have been standing out at the edge of their driveways waving at us as we come by. Yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere. There's, I don't know, probably 20 minutes away from the nearest like city with a gas station. So you know, it's making these people's days, and it's making ours too. And we appreciate everyone coming out, and I hope you can join us as well on our next one. Be sure to go over to Classic Cruisers on Facebook. Yeah, I think in this lineup we've got about 30 cars, and you know, the last one maybe 15 or so. So you know, doubling in size just over one cruise. That's an awesome accomplishment, and we hope to continue this forward, and love to see you there. A lot of support. We appreciate it. That's a good sight to be, you know, riding top down, some good paved back roads with a Nova in front of you. Yeah, this is nice. The only thing left of it stock-wise is the block itself.
The block itself?
Yeah, just the block. Different crank distance, everything. You see the turbo's tucked away down in there. It's a 78 millimeter.
You still got air conditioning?
Yeah. So with this kit, you can still retain AC, factory radiator location. Most of them move the radiator up here because, you know, but this one, it moves the intercooler so far forward you can still maintain everything in factory spot.
That's a tight fit, ain't it?
Yeah.
You see, you let Chevelle out.
Anything.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, that's just what it does.
Anyway, neat little place we're at here in Smackover, Arkansas, just about 30 minutes away from Magnolia. We got a Magnolia bunch here, some from North Louisiana, Minden area, and El Dorado. Chevelle out. Old Malibu 72. Who you representing? Ooh, Rods and Ribeyes. Thyro's car on there. It's a shirt from last year. We'll get you some new ones coming this year, so just check out our page on Facebook and we'll keep you updated on all that. Probably gonna do just pre-orders this year instead of dealing with that site because we had some delayed deliveries out of them. But anyway, here we go. Travis Peak. Of course, it's the smallest rock here.
Gee, I said, you familiar with that?
I didn't catch on though.
What you think about it?
It's nice.
$4 a day to stay here.
Shoot.
That's the deal.
Nice Airbnb.
That's a hard day's work I don't think I'm built for, but I appreciate the wool they produced. We need that new furniture in the house. Very comfy.
My coffee. Your facial.
Would you like some green beans or some red beets? Now I'm not going to go over everything here because I encourage you to come out and check it out for yourself, and I'm sure we'll come out here again for one of our cruises. So, but if you just have a free day, it doesn't cost anything to come out here and support your local state parks and keep this history alive. They've got a lot of interesting things, including two-headed calf, cool old pumps. We all want some of those in our yard. Like to have that sign. My family used to have an SO station.
Sand sky high and the natural gas caught on fire. It formed a huge burning crater that was roped off, and refreshments were sold to all the reporters and tourists coming by. Now, oil wasn't the only thing found in those wells. South Arkansas was also lucky enough to have one of the largest brine reserves in the world. Yep.
Anyway, we're in downtown Smackover with their one light right there in the whole town. Little bitty place. And we're gonna eat some fish and stuff at Woody's. She hungry. Or she gets hangry. Alright, and that's a wrap. Stomachs are full. We had a good time at the museum. And we'll catch you at the next one next month. Peace.
Dang, you gotta give us that credit on this.
Different flavor top?